Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a bookmark. First, select a durable material like cardstock or thick paper. Next, cut your chosen material into a rectangular shape. A common size is about 2 inches wide by 6 inches long. Finally, personalize your bookmark with your favorite colors, stickers, or even a small drawing to make it uniquely yours. Ready to get more creative? Consider laminating your finished bookmark to protect it from wear and tear, ensuring it lasts for many years. You can also punch a small hole at the top and thread a decorative tassel or ribbon through it for an elegant touch. Don't be afraid to explore unique shapes beyond the standard rectangle, like a fun animal or a sleek geometric pattern. For a truly personal touch, try using fabric scraps to create a soft and distinctive bookmark. You could also embed small pressed flowers or miniature photographs to capture special memories. Another wonderful idea is to hand-letter a favorite quote or an inspiring message directly onto your bookmark, making it a thoughtful gift or a daily reminder for yourself. To ensure your handmade bookmarks last, always store them flat to prevent any bending or creasing. If you're thinking of gifting, a set of 3 to 5 unique bookmarks makes a wonderful and practical present for any book lover. For extra durability, especially if they might be exposed to moisture, choose waterproof materials or apply a protective sealant.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.